AOPS Counting and Probability 15.21. 3 fair 6-sided dice are tossed. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on 2 of the dice equals the third? So the possible numbers that is shown on each of the 3 dice is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, or 2, 4, 6. And in each one of these combinations, there are 6 ways to arrange them, because these are regardless of order. So since there are 6 ways to arrange each of them, that means, and there are 6 different ways, that means there's 6 times 6, which is 36 ways for them to all be different. And for the ones that are the same and sum up to the third, then there's 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 3, 6. And there's 3 ways to arrange each of these because 2 of them are the same, so they can't be counted twice. So since there are 3 and there are 3 different combinations and there are 3 ways to arrange each of them, then there's 3 times 3, which is 9 ways. So in total, there's 36 plus 9, which is 45 ways to have the sum of the numbers on 2 of the dice equal the third. And in total, there's 6 to the power of 3, which is 216 ways to roll 3 dice to get anything. So 45 over 216 is equal to 5 over 24, so that's the probability. AOPS Counting and Probability 15.24. Describe the positive integers n for which the expansion of the expression x squared plus 1 over x to the power of n has a constant term, a term with no x appearing in it. For those values of n, what is the coefficient in terms of n? So the binomial expansion of x squared plus 1 over x to the power of n are in the form n choose k times x squared to the power of n minus k times 1 over x to the power of k. And if we simplify this, it becomes n choose k times x to the power of 2n minus 3k. And since it wants there to be a constant term, and it's a term with no x appearing in it, that means 2n minus 3k must be equal to 0. So over here we have x to the power of 2n minus 3k, and if the 2n minus 3k is equal to 0, then this term will be 1, so there will be a constant term and there will be no x. So that means k is equal to 2 over 3n, so that means n must be a multiple of 3. So, and as long as n is a multiple of 3, then it will work. So since it asks for the coefficient in terms of n, then the coefficient becomes n choose k. So since k is equal to 2 over 3n, then n choose k is n choose 2 over 3n, which is also equal to n choose n divided by 3. AOPS Counting and Probability 15.26. Carlos has chosen 12 different CDs he would like to buy. 4 are rap music, 5 are country music, and 3 are heavy metal music. Carlos has very eclectic tastes in music. Unfortunately, he only has enough money to afford to buy 5 of them. They all cost the same price. So he selects 5 of them at random. What is the probability that his purchase includes at least one CD from each of the 3 categories? So since there are 12 different CDs in total that he would like to buy, and he can only buy 5, 12 choose 5 is 792 ways to choose any 5 of the 12 CDs, so that's the total. And then we find the combinations with all of them adding up to 5. So rap, country, metal, and then this is the number of ways to arrange them, and it's the total. So we can have 3 rap, 1 country, 1 metal. The number of ways is 4 choose 3 since there are 4 rap musics, times 5 times 3 because you're buying 1 of each, so it's just 5 and 3. So the total is 60. Then we can have 1 rap, 3 country, and 1 metal. So then it becomes 4 times 5 choose 3 since there are 5 country and he's buying 3 times 3. The total is 120, etc. So if we list all the combinations of buying these and we find the total, there's 590 ways to select from all 3 categories. And since there are 792 ways in total, then it's 590 over 792, which is equal to 295 over 396.